this evening. That's a brilliant little flick header, and there's plenty of space here for Matsimbi, who rolls it across for Bradley Grobler. Who else?
Great sign of a sniper in the way that he always finds himself in the box. The first goal that he scored for Kaizer Chiefs when he came, ball given chipping away in that build-up stage. This build-up stage I've been talking about, that Chiefs have failed to come out of their half successfully. And this one gets picked up, and Sekhukhune, but Grobler
Race it to a 2-goal lead.
Now this one, it's a clearance initially. What an easy flick. That is the point. Once again from Grobler, nobody challenges him. They failed even when they challenged him. This time nobody was even closer, and yet you can't still cover. If you know